Thanks for checking out my video. This is my first video with my DJI Mavic Mini. I was able to start it up from the table on the porch. That's me opening the door, and I'm like looking at it as I bring it out, and up we go. So it was so cool because, I've had the Mavic Air, the Mavic 2 Pro, and they make so much wind with their propellers that you can't start up in a room like that. So this is so cool. It's so small. It works really nice. So I'm going to try some different quick shots with the bird feeder. So that's our bird feeder. I'm going to have a link right here for our live feed if you'd like to check that out. We'll make videos with the Arlo on the other bird feeder in the bushes right there. So I did a little helix, and I had to stop it because this does not have obstacle avoidance. So then I did another, and I had to stop them because it was going to hit a tree, it was going to hit a house. So then this is me manually going around the bird feeder. It wasn't quite as smooth as I normally am. It was partly because I'm trying to look at it and trying to look at the display at the same time. So one of the really cool things about this is the bad thing is it doesn't have obstacle avoidance. The good thing is it doesn't have obstacle avoidance. See, the Mavic 2 Pro would not allow me to go in between these houses. And I'll probably see why, because it seems like I'm almost going to hit that one house. So this is normal speed, taking it right through the houses. And, oops, someone's in the backyard, my bad. And then I'm bringing it back. So it's pretty cool. It's pretty smooth. And I've installed that solar attic fan right there. And I always like to check it out with my drone because I know I didn't do the prettiest job around it with the roofing material. But what's interesting was I tried to grab this while it was flying one time, and I couldn't. It moved up. So interesting obstacle avoidance, and why did it move up? Anyways, moving on, just wanted to take it across, check it out like a cinematic kind of view of these houses, because I know it's clear. I can go forward and back without worrying about hitting anything at this height. And bringing it back. So since it doesn't have obstacle avoidance, I'm constantly trying to look at it. And what I've really learned is that you want to have the camera pointed at the direction that you are going at all times. You don't want to go backwards without seeing. Otherwise, you could hit something. You don't want to go side to side, or you could hit something. You want to be looking at where you're going. So honestly, the left stick, to be able to turn it, almost like you shouldn't be turning it, or maybe you shouldn't be using the right stick to go left or right. And that's what it is. You should only use the right stick to go forward, but not left or right. Alright, as you see, I'm close to hitting the house, but it's so cool that I'm able to take it right through here. And then I come up, and I'm almost going to hit that air conditioning, and then I pull it up. So it's pretty cool, though, that it at least allows me to fly. Clearly, I need to work on the steadiness of this, but this is my first flight. And then I like to just take it up like a balloon, just to look at the area all around. Look at the trailers, look at the woods. Up we go. And I think right around here it says I had a little bit of interference. But it was pretty smooth the whole way. And I'm right underneath it, so it's not like I'm that far away that it would lose signal. So now I'm bringing it down, down, down. And I'm not speeding this video up at all. So I found that the Mavic Mini is really cool for just your light drone work. If you are worried about hitting something, you need to practice with it more so you don't hit anything. And maybe you shouldn't be flying it in those areas if you are worried about hitting something. But what's nice about it is it's cool to use. I'm going to bring it right back in the ports. Now at this point I am looking at it. And again, it's not making all the wind that the Mavic 2 Pro does. So I'm able to bring it inside the porch without disturbing too many things. And thanks for watching the video, checking out. This is kind of my first video with my Mavic Mini.